Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today I am with this green color envelope. This green color envelope I had received on 25th of November 2021. This was sent by Mr. Arun Das of Kerala, India. Come on, let's unbox this envelope and see the currencies coming out of this envelope. This was the nicely packed package received by me from Arun Das. Come on, let's unbox this. The first one is a Mexican banknote which is denominated as 100 pesos, which is a polymer edition. On the obverse is the portrait of Juana Inés de la Cruz, who was a Mexican writer, philosopher, composer and a poet. And on the reverse is a temperate forest in the states of Michoacán and Ocampo. Also, a monarch butterfly can be seen. The second one is a odd denominated currency with the denomination of $3 of Cook Island. This is again a polymer edition. On the obverse is the portrait of Ina and the shark, a Polynesian legend, and on the reverse is a Canoe and a figurine. This is a latest edition of banknote issued in the year 2021. The third one is a 500 francs of Burkina Faso, a landlocked country in West Africa. On the obverse is a sawfish shaped brass weight of the Ashanti people for weighing gold dust. Also, computerization in West Africa, which is shown by a hand touching a touch PC tablet. Also, the outline map of Africa can be seen. And on the reverse are hippopotamus. The fourth one is a 5 lari of Georgia. On the obverse is the State University of Tbilisi and a portrait of Ivane Javakishvili. And on the reverse is farming and cattle. The sixth one is 100 Ngultrum. On the obverse is the portrait of Jimme Singhe Wanchok, who was the former king of Bhutan and is the father of a present king of Bhutan. And on the reverse is Tashicho Dongs. The seventh one is a $50 of Zimbabwe. On the obverse is a Cheremba balancing rock formation, and on the reverse is a tomb of unknown soldier and a portrait of a famous African leader, Mabuya Neheda. The eighth one is a 10,000 rubles of Transnistria. On the obverse is the portrait of General Alexander Vasilievich Surovov, and on the reverse is a parliament building at Tiraspol. The ninth one is a polymer currency of Vietnam designated as 10,000 dong. On the obverse is the portrait of Ho Chi Minh, and on the reverse are oil rigs. The 10th one is a $10 of Liberia, named as Republic of Liberia on the banknote. On the obverse is the portrait of first president of Liberia, Joseph Jenkins Robert, and on the reverse is a rubber plantation. The 11th one is 1,000 riels of Cambodia, which is a commemorative edition for the late King Norodom Sihanouk. On the obverse is the portrait of King Father Norodom Sihanouk. Coat of arms, Naga mythical snake, and on the reverse is a royal palace throne room, swan shaped float carrying Sihanouk body. The 12th one is a 10 pesos of Philippines. On the obverse is the portrait of Apolinaro Mabini and Andre Bonifacio, and on the reverse is Baracino Church, scene of Katipuna organization showing the blood pact. The 13th one is 1000 Drachmai of Greece. On the obverse is the portrait of Giorgio Satavaros, who was a banker, benefactor and a revolutionary leader from modern day Greece, and on the reverse is Lion's Gate at Michoacán. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.
To know more about these coins and currencies, please visit our website at www.onearcher.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please mention the next interesting video that you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.